She arrived there already broken, too weak to speak a word. They had beaten her for so long, her strength was almost gone. She came with her 4 children, walking slowly by her side. If you saw them standing there, you would break inside. They reached the barrier, men were waiting there. They circled all around her and beat her without care. She had no strength left in her, so she fell down to the ground. The baby on her back was crying out in pain. She begged Mom for food, but Mom couldn't help. They told her, "Give the child to us." She slowly laid him down. She looked at them with trembling eyes as they pushed her to the ground. She whispered, "Please forgive me, my children are still small." They pulled her arms behind her, she could not fight at all. She said before they took her life, "There's one thing I must say. I know that you will kill me. I can see there's no escape. I know that you will kill me. I can see my final day. Then kill me if you want to, but please don't touch my babies. If you are parents too, then please just leave my babies. If you have ever loved a child, then hear my final plea. Kill me if you want to, but leave my children free." That last word that she said still echoes in my heart. That last word that she said shows a mother's love. Kill me if you want to, but leave my babies. As they were beating that mother, her children stood and cried. Her youngest called out softly as he watched her from the side. He said, "Mama, what did we do? Why are they hurting you? If they touch you once again, I will tell Dad what they do." But he was just a little child, too young to understand that evil has no mercy and no guiding hand. That last word that she said still echoes in my heart. That last word that she said shows a mother's love. That last word that she said, "Kill me, but leave my babies." Now let me ask you something, you who have survived. Do you still remember the last words from their lives? When they were taken from you, when they waved goodbye. What were the words you shared
before they had to die?
Your child before you parted,
Your wife before she left,
your parents in that moment
when you were laid to rest.
Hold on to